Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you a tutorial to help you understand how to add funds and contribute fixed amounts to a project or campaign. Our system is very simple to use and easy to understand. First you'll log into your account and it'll have multiple icons to add funds, which you can see here in the top. Click Add Funds to Wallet. Also here in the middle of the dashboard, Add Funds. And alternatively, you can also click on My Transactions menu here on the left and select the Add Fund option also. Now, once you selected any one of the options, I'll go ahead and click that here. It'll direct you to our Add Fund page. You can click off of this Add, and you can see multiple payment gateways. We accept credit debit card, PayPal, Solid Trust Pay, Bitcoin, and net banking for certain countries. Each gateway has its own ways of working, and you can simply follow the system. So as an example, I'll show you how to add funds with Bitcoin and contribute. So I'll go ahead and click Accept Bitcoin. And the first thing you want to do is select the currency available in the dropdown. I want to select BTC for Bitcoin. And then enter the required amount that you want to add to the fund. You can add any amount, and the system will show the minimum and the maximum amounts allowed for each transaction. So if you note here, the minimum is 0.01, the maximum is 16 Bitcoins. So I'll go ahead and enter the minimum. Now the first and last name will display automatically here in this menu, and if it's not showing, you can just edit the same. So if you notice, the last name is in the first name field, so I'll just cut that out and put it here in the last name field. Now you won't be able to edit the email. See, if you hover over it, you have that red circle, and if you have any comments, you can enter them right here. Now once your details are complete, you'll agree for the verification and non-refundable policies by just checking them. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then click Add Fund here. That'll be processing and submitting the form. And then you'll see your confirmation page that appears. And just look it over. Everything looks good. So I'll go ahead and click Confirm. It's processing. Okay, and then the system will display the QR code or the Bitcoin address here. You can copy the same to send for payment from your Bitcoin wallet. And now, once the payment is done, it'll show as paid. So I'll go ahead and send that payment out here. Okay, so as you see here, it says paid. I went ahead and sent that payment. And this process may vary with other payment options like credit, debit card, or PayPal, etc. So as the payment is successful, it'll direct you automatically to the success page. And if it's not taken there automatically after 60 seconds, then you can click on the back button to the online store or any other icon which is asking in the payment gateway to click on manually to reach back to the OnlineSensor page. Like right here, back to merchant. Remember, never use your backspace button in your computer for this operation. So I'll go ahead and click back to merchant here. See, and that takes me right back to OnlineSensor's dashboard. Fund added successfully, it says right here. And now in case your fund is not added, you can raise a ticket or send a mail to support@onlinesensor.com. Certain gateways, keep in mind, like Solid Trust Pay and Bitcoin, take some time to update the records. And this happens on rare cases, but other gateways normally credit instantly. Now, once the payment is successfully added, the amount will display on your wallet. And you can check from your transaction log or your wallet balance. So I'll go ahead and do that here. My transactions, see, right here in the e-wallet, 0.01 current balance. Now you can click on the contribution menu here on the left and click on Donate Contribute. Now it'll ask you for your currency here at the top, and you'll select your currency from this drop down. We did this in BTC, Bitcoin. Okay, so now I'll scroll down here. So here you can see the fixed amount of contribution and icons which you're allowed to contribute. You can use basic or standard or premium contributions. Now after clicking on contribute, which I'll do right here, it'll display whose project or campaign you're contributing. Now, you just go ahead and click on Proceed if you agreed to contribute the funds to that project. We'll select the payment gateway option for the payment mode and choose the pay mode. We'll select the option Contribute from e-wallet here. And then we'll select below the wallet and currency, which we have as a balance. Okay, and then we'll click on, see here the 0.01 matches here of my available balance, and we'll go ahead and click on Contribute Now. We'll go ahead and click on that here. There we go. And it'll display a success message here. You can see at the top. You can also verify the contributions details from Menu Contributions here, and then the Your Contributions option. And it shows right there. So it's very simple, and if you have any further clarifications on how to add funds and contribute, you can send an email to support@onlinesensor.com. Thank you.